Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today's video going to be a Unready with me, and I'm also sharing my nighttime skincare routine. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So first I will tie my all hairs up and clip it. Next, I am taking a cotton pad and a Garnier Micellar cleansing water and apply it over my eyes, press and swipe it. Again, I will take same Garnier Micellar water and apply it on my next eye. Next, I am taking another cotton pad and Garnier Micellar water and remove all my makeup and foundation from my face. Again I am taking a cotton pad and Garnier Micellar water and remove my lipstick from my lips. Next I am using a wet wipe and use it all over my face gently to remove any dirt or makeup whichever left in my face. Now I will wash my face with a clean and clear foaming face wash and a normal water and pat dry with a clean towel. Next I am using Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream and apply it all over my face and massage it gently to moisturize my face. Next I am using Good Vibes Lemon Essential Oil and take few drops and apply it in dots. And massage it very gently. Now I use Avon Natural Cherry Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. So that's it. These are the all steps which I follow in my night skincare routine. Now I will sleep. Good night. So hope you like my nighttime skincare routine. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this skincare routine, then please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.